Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how much cash is too much to keep at home. Let's get into the video. The definition of cash is money in the tangible form of currency such as banknotes and coins in economics. Cash is a type of asset in bookkeeping and financial accounting that consists of currency or currency equivalents that can be obtained instantly or nearly immediately. So, how much cash is too much to keep at home? I personally do not believe you should keep 3,000, 8,000, 15,000, 20,000, or even $500 of cash sitting at home. Instead, what you would want to do is put 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in a free checking account or money market account. You can open this account at your local bank or credit union. Also, when you have this account set up, you will be able to get a debit card associated to this account. Therefore, if there is a need to withdraw money from this account, you can easily access it by withdrawing the money with the use of your debit card. This method will eliminate the need for keeping cash at home. Another thing is the biggest downside to keeping cash at home is that long term, this is the most dangerous option because you will almost certainly lose money. If you store several $1,000s in cash at home as a habit, it's practically dead money. It does not only not yield interest, but it also loses value. Inflation is a reality of life, and it erodes the value of any non-interest bearing investment. For example, if you make it a habit to keep at least $15,000 in cash at home, the real worth of the money will decline to less than 12,000 in 10 years, assuming an inflation rate of 2% each year. So it's very important to stay away from the habit of keeping too much cash at home. However, focus on following financial principles that will help you build wealth. If you want to learn how to invest your money, please check out my course on how to invest your money below of the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.